test of the emergency alert system. This is a test of the emergency alert system. This is a test of the emergency alert system.
Here's the DSM. Yeah, it was just gonna be on WSM tonight. Oh well. Alright, that was Tennessee.
Test. The following is the statewide tornado drill as part of Florida Severe Weather Awareness Week. Test tornado warning. Test there is no severe weather occurring at this time. This is only a test. The National Weather Service in Miami has issued a test tornado warning for the following counties of South Florida: Broward County, Collier County, Glades County, Henry County, Miami-Dade County, Palm Beach County, until 10:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. This is a test. Repeat. This is a test. There is no severe weather occurring at this time. The National Weather Service in Miami has issued a test tornado warning for all counties in South Florida, including Broward, Collier, Glades, Henry, Miami-Dade, and Palm Beach until 10:30 a.m. Repeat. This is a test tornado warning. If this were an actual tornado warning, information on the location of the tornado, direction and speed of movement of the tornado, and areas that might be affected by the tornado would be included. The message would also include safety actions that you would take to protect your life in a tornado threat. Remember, this is only a test. No severe weather is occurring at this time. For this drill, once you have exercised your tornado safety plan, you may consider the drill to be completed. Repeating. This is the test warning portion of the statewide tornado drill as part of Florida South Severe Weather Awareness Week. This is only a test. Remember, this is only a test. No severe weather is occurring at this time. Repeat. This is only a test. The Marine Forecast. This is NOAA Weather Radio, 24-hour voice of National Weather Service. The preceding signal is a drill done in cooperation with the Emergency Management Office. Tests a public warning alarm for transmitters in West Central and Southwest Florida listening area, originating from Ruskin, Florida. This is a tornado drill. It's only a test. And schools, businesses, and citizens are encouraged to review their tornado safety plan, confirm their ability to receive weather alerts by NOAA Weather Radio, and practice moving quickly to the safest location from the structure. The best location to shelter is often on the lowest floor in a small interior room
windows, such as a closet or bathroom. For more information, visit our National Weather Service and Rescue website at weather.gov/Tampa Bay. Also visit Alert Florida, which is a statewide notification initiative to learn how to receive emergency alerts and other public safety notifications within your community. Their website is alertflorida.com. The same system will only alert your county or county particular warning. These tests are conducted each Wednesday, besides today, between 11 a.m. and noon, and again between 6 and 8 p.m. unless weather threatens. This concludes the test. We now return to regular programming. Your coastal waters forecast for the
Florida. This is also a test of the same system, or specific area message encoder. The same system will alert only the county or counties affected by a particular warning. These tests are conducted each Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon, and again between 6 p.m. and 8 p.m., unless severe weather threatens. This concludes the weekly test. We now return to regular programming.
Tide forecast. At Punta Gorda, high tide 1.
Okay.
Wednesday at 5:21 p.m.
Just got home and then they test. Alright, that's it. Alright, for the first time in 3 weeks or so, we're going to check in the radios again. I was home for the 6 o'clock test this time. So here we go, WR400. Here's a scroll. HH. It was on WWG 59, by the way. Okay. Here's the WR300. And the 262 has been going off lately. Oh. And the 262 has been going off lately. Here's the WR300. That's the WR300. This is the WR100. Here's the R1630. CO100. 167. And finally the Eton Zone Guard.
And inland waters, a moderate chop. Friday night, north winds around 10 knots, then
And
northeast after.
that'll be it for this test. And I'm pretty sure y'all saw the tornado drill earlier. So that's that now.